So-called warriors?
You can't. I mean, they're in the middle of a top secret meeting right now, and they really should not be disturbed now. Right, guys?
Oh, could you excuse me, please?
Wait, please don't go! I'm not going anywhere. What is going on? Flick! Oh, I knew it. Please don't go!
I'm desperate! Really? I couldn't tell!
Come on,
Mother, Flick is up to something.
Okay, Flick, time to put you down now. Get him off me. He's cutting off the circulation to my foot.
Please don't go!
Put the stick down. Flick, I mean it now. Drop the stick. Drop it.
Boy, he runs fast for a little guy.
This way. There they are. Apart! Oh, stop! Ah, my baby!
I got you.
I can't see.
Somebody do something! It's all right. Don?
Heavens, they're in trouble.
You guys, I've got an idea.
Here, I got it.
Please, Peter, wake up! Wake up!
Mr. Animal! How about a nice, tasty roll on a stick?
I'm going to snap.
Let's go.
There they are! It's going to be okay, Don.
Bye-bye, girlie! Help! Put it out! Snap!
The caterpillar's using himself as live bait.
How brave!
Suck it in, man! Ow, my leg!
The bird! What is that?
That, my friends, is the sound of applause.